This is how you make more than 300 pips each and every single week. Let me show you how it's done. These are my trades taking by using Magic IB system, which I have created. This is a special kind of candles, and let me show you all, step by step, how many trades I have done last week. So this is the week started on the 1st, right? Not so, sorry, 21st of May, and this is let me see, it's on the 21st May. Aussie USD 20-minute chart, buy entry. This is my buy entry here, SL, using this entry setup, this Magic IB system. All right, so next trade, let me see. Okay, this is CAD yen. Look at the setup. This was a buy as well, okay, and previously as well, but this is, you can see here, this was a nice buy here all the way up, then it retraces back and then buy again, gone with the wind. This is a buy order. SL move to break even plus. Next trade on the 21st, also EUR-CAD, because this is CAD yen went up, EUR-CAD came down because of the CAD strength. You see this here, beautiful setup all the way down. My order is here. Next is on the 21st, again pound Aussie. It was just keep dropping. Found another entry here. This indicator is all the way up, and a powerful move to the downside. Sell order here all the way to the downside. Again on 21st was a very, very good day. Beautiful by the book entry here, 20-minute chart, pound CAD, again pound strength, playing out all pound pairs, CAD pairs, CAD strength. This is what I'm talking about. You cannot see the trade here because when I was making the chart, accidentally I closed the entry here. But this was a by the book entry, and so look, this was a trade, and then this was a trade. And the next is on the 22nd, same, look alike. See this? Look, drop, goes into the wave between this black and yellow line, indicators all the way up, and then drop. This is an entry. Watch what happened in Euro franc. Same thing, drop, went inside, right into the same area, drop from there, indicators all the way up, entry, trade. This is how the setup is. It's very easy, simple, if you learn properly. This is all the way down, bouncing from a support. This is like a counter trend, but if you this is what I teach in my webinars, how to take both sides of trades, that with the trend and counter trend, from bouncing from resistance and support. So if you have a heavy support here and then it's bouncing, it's bouncing, then you take an entry and just ride the trade. This is hitting the 8703 resistance and then coming down. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, so these were buys and then this sell. Okay, and again Aussie yen. Look, this one is what? CAD yen, from hitting the resistance and dropping on the 22nd, the same day almost, right? And this was also going up, and then this is because of the yen. Okay, yen was getting weaker, and all of a sudden yen index hitting the resistance and dropping, so yen started getting strong. All yen pairs started to drop. So I had the CAD yen, probably I think pound yen, and then this Aussie yen, several yen pair. The next is Euro Aussie. Look, this entry here, beautiful entry, and then all the way down. 120 pips so far. On the 24th, okay, so this is also, you can see USD yen, it was dropping, like I said, the yen in strength, all yen pairs start to go down. So, they're first all the way to the top and then hitting the resistance, 150 pips so far. This was a trade. This is my trade here, right? But I'm showing you that there was another beautiful entry, an opportunity from here to here, almost like 100 pip here, or 60, 70 pip, right? And I mean, even if you take this one, forget about this one, this is the one, and then if you go heavy, look, maybe a couple of standard lot, that's a few $1,000s in one shot. Same here on the 25th, EUR-USD, drop, sell, trade. Look at this, buy the book, beautiful. CAD, I showed you the top, the trade. It came down all the way, then gave another opportunity, again, another opportunity. All right, and then this is again going down. You see how many entries? But I'm in the trade, so I'm not going to take this one, right? But, every time it goes in and this indicator is all the way up, you make the trade. Obviously, all of these trades we take in the direction of my analysis, which I'll show you how I work with the analysis. Euro yen, you see this short here, right? It's going short, and euro yen I've been doing short. I'm going to show you now how I take these trades. I first do my analysis. I think this is the last one. Yeah, I first do my analysis on a weekly chart that where a particular pair and also the index is heading. And once I establish that, okay, this is in the direction, for example, yen, if yen is getting strong and euro is getting weaker, euro yen is going to drop. So I establish that, and then I go and take a look at the weekly chart of euro yen, right? And if it is dropping or giving me short setups, then I make the chart and give it my subscribers. And I instruct them in my webinar that, teach them also, everything that how to do the analysis and how to judge a pair and index, what they are going to do. And then from there, we start taking the setups. So now, for example, this one, and let me show you what's currently happening, I'm doing right now, currently. I made this euro yen all short. Why all short? Because I made this chart back in February. 1, 2, 3, and we're supposed to come down for wave 4 down here, right? This is the target, right? According to the Elliott wave. Where we are now today, right there. You see that? So all these time we're doing short. When it's going up, leave it alone. Then start coming down, short, right? Currently, I have a short order, and here's the entry. You see that? 7-minute chart, nice and beautiful entry here. Also several entries, but this is the one I took today on the 22nd, 28. Today is 28, right? So see that in the date in the bottom, May 28. This was a beautiful entry, indicators all the way up. This was an entry as well. This was an entry as well. But I made an entry and I'm still holding. And if it goes down, fine. If not, 40, 50, 60 pip. What's wrong with that, right? So this is how beautiful with the analysis and then the setup and precise entries you get. You see, the beauty about these entries is that you never get negative unless you are wrong. If I'm wrong, it goes against me and hit my SL. SL is always 25 pip. All right. So you saw how many positive trades. So even if I have 5, 6, 7 negative trades, right, with 25 pip each, doesn't mean anything. For example, if I make 700 pip and then I lose 300, then I'm still up 400 pip. You understand? So this is the game. This is how you do Forex. If not any other way, you're going to lose. So after years of experience, this is the strategy that I built. It works beautifully. Even if you look at the 20-minute chart, how big the drop is. And this is my entry from 7-minute chart, the current entry right now. All of these were entries. Right? Look how nicely they paired. You think that I didn't take all these trades? Yes, I did. This one. Some of them I recorded, some I forgot. Right? I showed you a few. Right? So this is how it is. For example, now CAD is getting weaker. CAD, Canadian dollar. So what will happen? CAD yen will drop. Euro CAD, pound CAD will go up. And obviously, I'm gonna look for long setup just like these in those pairs and short in CAD yen. And you saw that I took several short in CAD yen, right? That's what it is. Let me show you quickly what the chart was, like CAD index I'm talking about, and you will see what I'm talking about. Okay, CAD index, and I made this chart and I gave it to my subscribers a couple of days ago, and we are hitting all the CAD pairs. CAD weakness. We are playing out CAD weakness. This is CAD index, individual currency. So it's gonna drop, and it is dropping right now very nicely. Okay, and obviously when it's dropping, CAD is getting weaker, and the pair like CAD, where the CAD is on the right hand side, like pound CAD, USD CAD, Euro CAD, they will be going up, and where the CAD is on the left hand side, like CAD yen, will be going down. Okay. So let me show you if the CAD index, see this? I made this chart. This is the chart I made, and so far, See this? It's nicely dropping. So CAD is getting weaker, and we're going to be hitting all those CAD pairs. Simple as that. Okay, and we use our Magic Wave strategy, Magic IB system, nice and clean entries, no negativity there. When the after the retracement on a 20-minute chart, when the move start, we make an entry and hardly goes against us. Okay, this is how beautiful it is. So this is it for now. If you like what you saw, go on my website, myforexmagicwave.com. Use the subscribe button. Subscribe. Today's weekend. Well, not weekend, but it's Memorial Day now, a Monday, and trading is almost dead. So we still have 4 days left. So get the system, get the setup done, all the charts and everything, and start trading. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.